Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to install font your Adobe Premiere Pro After Effects. I will provide this link below. Then copy text, paste Google, search, you see this option, tap on this link. After then is left scroll, you see found font, tap on here. After then click this option download completed. Open this file, double click, then select font, double click. After then you will see and find install option. Tap on this option, install complete. Go to Adobe Premiere Pro. After then type your text. When you type your text, you also see text option. Tap on here, then select your font monster. After then select and change font style. Select all text and check your font style. Thanks for watching this video.